It looks like somebody had left some soda cans for us. Which one do I have a thing against today? Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, we're killing you. Okay, maybe this is a funky gun, but that's not the funky gun that I'm talking about. It's one of these ones. Right? So today we got some 12 gauge, just low brass. This is probably going to jam because of the low brass. That's okay, I've accepted it.
Action.
Action. Cool, so now I'm going to show you a couple of different shotguns. Some very, very different shotguns. These ones. I don't... This one's a funky one, because, well, I mean, bullpup shotgun, right? What's more cursed than that? This guy. Alright. So, this one is called the Wolverine XP. This is a pump shotgun. It's got a assisted spring reload. And if you grab the rear sight, that's how it breaks in the middle. Very funky. You can reload it a couple of ways by bottom feed or top feed, like this. Hypothetically, if you just wanted to take your ammo out, you don't actually have to pump it just to get it out. You see this little metal piece right here? Come over here to the light. You see this metal piece?
Mm-hmm.
You just press it. Neat, right? This thing's cool. Definitely one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. Mostly because it got all of your guys' attention. I would like to show you the differences between these two. So this one, obviously being a pump, it's just... I don't got any in the chamber yet. Right, now there's one in there. Safety's off. I'm probably going to embarrass myself because I'm not a huge fan of the sight. Here, come take a look at that sight, actually. It's like a V with the dot.
Uh-huh. Oh, there. Boom!
Basically, right?
It's got it. Dang.
I'm going to throw this up in the air and see if I can't shoot it. Maybe I'll embarrass myself and miss it completely.
There you go.
I actually think I got it.
A little bit.
So this is for everybody that's wanting to see a test fire. This is the Wolverine XP shotgun. Oh, safety. Ah! Got a little bit of water everywhere on that one. Alright, so I'm going to show you another shotgun. So that one's just a pump fed tube shotgun. This one is a semi-automatic bullpup 12 gauge called the FD12. You can take a look at the logo. Not the greatest logo. Maybe I should take some white out or something and just fill it in.
You can see it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's box mag fed. I just have 4 shots loaded up. See if I can't get it to go. And this one, it shoots a little bit quicker than that one. See?
Jammy jam.
Jammy jam. That's low brass for you. The only reason why these semi-autos are annoying sometimes is because of that low brass. Oop, backwards. That was a fancy maneuver, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Unreal! Does not like low brass. But this is a pretty sweet gun when it's running really nicely. I just gotta go buy some expensive shotgun shells for it. Wow, that's embarrassing. Let me try again. After that cool reload.
You can edit that one out.
No, it's all good. I'm gonna keep it in there. That's funny. Woo! Finally, it cycled. This thing's sweet. I want to do a couple more shots with it.
Okay.
Even though it's probably going to jam up on me. 2. I hope people notice my tactical reload. Practicing in my room all by myself. Alright, I'm gonna... How many straws does it take for a certain somebody to suck Canada dry?
You allowed to say the name?
I'm not saying the name. Everybody already knows.
Okay.
Alright, let's see how these sights are. They're probably awful. Jeez. That is hilarious. Yeah, so I'm only going to bring this out when I get high brass shots because this is something frustrating. But I have another mag. I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to. Woo! Are you playing now?
I am.
Cameraman sitting way low. Yeah, so this thing is definitely pretty cool. I would recommend it for like camping. Obviously, I mean, like, look at this. Doesn't even take up as much space as my chest. This thing's pretty cool. Definitely recommend. If you're able to get something like this, I would definitely get it because it's just worth it. It's just way too much fun to not be able to experience something like this, you know? Get one more in there because I can. Wait. Yeah. 5 shots. I went to reach for it like my other one with the pistol grip. Water bottle. Got one in there. We're good to go. See if I can't get it. I still gotta go pick up that green one out there.
Yes?
I think.
I seen water.
I see water coming out the bottom. Oh yeah, I got it. Huh.
Just
So
let me.
They're not exploding in the air like how I thought they would. Maybe it's because the water's already in a falling motion in the bottle. That's weird. Yeah, I got this one too. See, there's a hole right there. Huh, I'm not a bad shot. I thought I was a bad shot. Come check out the milk jug. That's a lot of damage.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can recycle it still.
Probably still recycle it. Look, it's just been peppered with birdshot. Cool. Yeah, that means I'm not a bad shot. I thought I was missing them. Not this big white one though. That one got messed up. Well, I guess since they're loaded up, I'm just gonna blast them, I guess. See if I can't. I mean,
The tingies?
yeah, I was thinking of shooting at the metal, but I highly doubt they'll reach it from here. This is gonna be Call of Duty logic. I only have birdshot. I don't have buckshot or any slugs yet. One of these days I'm gonna do a comparison video.
not hired for all this walking.
Yeah. Not hired for all this walking. That's funny. We would call you Christopher if you were hired for all this walking. You don't get it?
No.
Christopher Walking. He's an actor.
Is that a person?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go see if I even hit it. It's so dumb. Wow. Guys, I would not recommend Birdshot if you're
Oh, camera. My fingers went over the camera for a second.
It's okay. You see all these spots? So from about 20 feet away, I hit it hardly at all with 4 shots. Can't wait to go and get myself some buckshot. Shoot my 45 at these things and see if I can actually hit that water bottle right there. Do you want to hold it? Whoa. You're not going to shoot it, are you?
Probably not.
Probably not. Okay. She
Not
doesn't.
right now.
She doesn't really feel like shooting it today. Do you want to check it out though? Pull this back. That's how you do it. So remember, yep, like that, and then pull it forward. Isn't that the weirdest thing ever? And then you put the shells in right there. Isn't that strange? So, I don't know if anybody really caught on how I'm able to do this comfortably, the whole tactical reload where it's like you're just kind of saving a magazine, you're not just dropping it out like in Call of Duty. What I like to do is I'll hold it kind of like this. There's your mosquito. And that way it's a lot easier for when I grab it, because then I can hold it with my 2 fingers right here and just bring it around like this. And then it's basically ready to go. So just got the one chambered. If I had this one ready, pulled it out of my pocket, grab this here. That one's empty now. And now it's got 2 going. Except it's a jam-o-matic machine because it's not high brass.
Oh, what?
A jam-o-matic machine. You like that? No, this thing's awesome. I really like it. It's one of my favorites. It's just a high brass princess, you know? And this thing become my favorite because I got to meet all of you guys with it. I mean, what's better than being able to meet a whole bunch of people? People like yourselves. That's the best part. No, you get off my porch. Woo! Ooh. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get going pretty soon. Check it out, another water bottle that I forgot to pick up, but I blasted them. Hey, well, it's time to put everything away because, well, I don't want to be in the rain. Look at this. This is the best way to disassemble guns, right? I just gotta make sure I actually shut everything off and keep all my caps. Okay, so this is like the easiest disassembly. Watch this. Pull this out because that is easier on the mag for some reason that I've noticed. Unscrew. And just like that gun. Look at this. Not even as big as my body. And just like that, 2 folded guns put away. Well, I mean, I guess it doesn't fold. This one folds. That one doesn't fold, but kind of, sort of. It's unique. I just gotta do it one more time because it feels good and I never got it on camera. Boom. One more time, just like this. Best way to get good is to practice it.
Very nice.
Very nice. Kind of smooth, like I've done it before, right?
Good?
I think so. I'm just gonna put everything in the bag that I brought for now. Sort of. Like all the garbage anyways. I'm just gonna put the garbage in the bag and then... Wow, it's really raining now. Just picking flowers. Hey Tiana! It's raining! Yeah, okay. Yeah, like it's really raining. See, it's hard to tell on camera, but like, I don't know, maybe you can tell.
Throw that bag away.
I'm not throwing the bag away. I was just using it as a garbage bag to collect the... You look nice.
I know.
It's raining.